is up, guys? Welcome back to another DREADLOCK video. I'm Gunther the Great like always, and today I have like a little announcement. Actually, it's a huge announcement. Why I've been gone, why I haven't been consistent, and the only reason being is because I just launched merch. If you guys want to see the whole video and kind of the whole launch thing, go check out my main channel, Gunther the Great. Link to that video is going to be in the description below. And it's just a launch video. You guys can definitely check it out, show some love. Go check out all the merch that dropped. This is the first ever merch drop I've ever done, and it is the great merch. So hopefully you guys are excited. Thank you so much to everyone who has been super patient, and we are really close to 90,000 subscribers, so that means a lot to me. I'm gonna be dropping major bangers now since I got this launch out of the way, so this is a dedication to you guys. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to go check out that video and go check out the merch. A link to the website with all the merch on it is gonna be down there as well, along with the merch launch announcement video. So with all that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.